Eclipse, plumage. During late summer, male mallards undergo a molting process where they lose their vibrant breeding plumage and temporarily resemble female ducks. This transitional plumage is known as eclipse plumage and helps them blend in for better camouflage. Fast flying. Mallards are known for their swift flight. They can reach speeds of up to 55 miles per hour during migration, making them one of the faster flying duck species. Cold-resistant adaptations. Mallard ducks have specialized adaptations that allow them to survive in cold climates. Their feathers provide excellent insulation, and blood flow to their legs and feet is regulated to minimize heat loss. Quacking differences. While mallard hens typically make the familiar quacking sound, drakes produce a softer, raspy call known as a whistle. It's believed that this whistle helps drakes communicate and maintain group cohesion during flight.